Hey guys, welcome to VRK Homemaker. Today I just came up with a sari collection, and that too it is a 30 years old collection saris, but it doesn't look old guys. It is very new, pretty new I can say. And if you are 20 years old, if you are 10 years old, if you are 6 7 years old, I can show you all the saris. This is a amazing collections she have. Actually, all these saris belongs to my mother-in-law. All these are from 30 years old collections I can say. And if you're 10 years, or as I told you, if you're very less, 6 years old, saris also she have. And but each and every sari behind there is a wonderful sweet memories of her. And don't miss in between, please watch full video, and you can just share your how really felt about this video, share to the comment section guys. And who are really watching me for the first time, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get my new notification for new videos also. And just share this video, like this video. This sari is her engagement sari guys, remember. And this is really 30 years old sari I can say. But is it looking like that? No, right? Because it is really 30 years old, which you have to believe, I mean it. And look, the combination is dark blue with the pink border. That time pink, who doesn't like guys? I really love pink colors. And sari combination without pink, that I don't feel it is a sari. But here pink and blue combination, wow. Her engagement sari, her brother-in-law has gifted her. And here it is their mom's side have gifted this sari on her particular marriage time. And look, it is yellow with the blue combination. It's her selection only, but mother's side gifted her, which is really a great memory I can say. Mother's side, whatever they give, we really feel heart touching only. The sari is that. And this is actually a sari which she purchased it for housing ceremony time. She purchased this. When she purchased, it was plain sari. This is pallu actually, and she given to the boutique and she designed it. Little bit work she's done on the pallu. And look, the green color, and with this little light orange, it is looking great combination. And it is all pure silk saris which I'm showing you guys. This is actually 10 to 13 years old sari, but still it is looking very new. She really maintained it well. Whenever she wears all the special saris, she remembers all memories of the particular sari and warm wishes from who gave particular sari to her. And modern attire cannot beat our Indian traditional dresses, right? And this is a blouse with that. This sari is in the time of Varamaha Lakshmi festival. She purchased it. It's her selection for the god. Every year everybody purchases a new sari for the god, no? The same sari, which is a pure silk with the different color, multiple colors. If you see, orange, purple, green, white combination, the border golden border. It is somewhat different sari I really felt, and it is really nice. This is actually a blouse. And this sari, her co-sister's son marriage, they have gifted it. And look at the combination guys, brownish or a pink, I really don't know, purple or really, it's all combination, light shining. It's we can view actually. And look at the border, and this is a pallu of that. Wow guys, really, I don't know, so nicely she maintained. And these are all the sweet memories I can say. Look how it is looking, the pallu as well as the sari. Wow, old saris of my mother-in-law. These are all our actually sweet memories I can save to her. And each and every sari, this sari is a green sari, and co-sister daughter's marriage, they have gifted this particular sari. And each and every sari, I told you know, there is a one sweet memory behind the sari. This is what. And saris okay, but memories superb. And look how the border is. And this is the overall view of the sari. And complete plain it is inside. Little bit golden buttas is there inside that. And look at the blouse, the border they have given. at that time. And this is very special saree, you know, because it is in our marriage. She was just wearing this on our reception, which is very trending, I can say, at that time. Even now the borderless saree it is. And this we purchased it from Kanchi, of course, Babusha. We always prefer going there, only the Babusha. Cute varieties you'll be getting over there, very pretty designs, unique designs, I can say. Look how it is looking, great combination. Pallu, it is very different, and we really love to purchase sarees from there, and that too Babusha only. And here this saree is very special because it's our marriage. Okay, this is blouse, and the design she made it very simple and very unique, I can say. And this saree is also special because she had two sons. One is the elder one, and this is the younger one marriage, which is my brother-in-law's marriage. She purchased this, and look at the pallu, blue and yellow combination, great combination, and highlighting the blue color and the golden bottom in the silver border, which is super combination, I can say. Look at the blouse, very simple thread work that she made it, and really awesome design, like she made it very simple, and she maintained it well, I can say. And look at this saree. This saree almost 15 years over. Even one more elder co-sister's daughter's marriage, they have gifted this. The other one which I told you, the second co-sister's daughter's marriage, she purchased. This is elder co-sister daughter's marriage. They've gifted the sky blue with the golden shine and the border look. That time only 15 years back, it was really a great combination, great saree, pure silk saree with the border only. She just stitched it very simple and superb, I can say. Her mother's side, they have gifted this particular saree, which is a beautiful memory of her side. They've gifted this saree, and this is very special to her. Obviously mother's side, whatever they give, it will be special to their hearts, very near to their hearts, right? The same way even she will care like anything. This saree, not only this, everybody's, but still mom's side, which is something special, right? This is actually their mother's side. They've gifted this. She have two brothers. In that younger brother has gifted this. Wow, so beautiful, golden. And this is what the blouse borders, which she given the borders to the blouse, and stitched so simple and well designed. And this is very special saree than the other sarees. What it means, it is 30 years old saree, as I told you. It's her marriage saree, which is muhurtam time. Very awesome color combination, amazing quality. Look how it is. Big borders now, broad borders are really trending now. That is what now I hear. Now 30 years old designs only, now again it started trending in the market. So this is a blue color with the dark blue border, golden border. Wow, look how it is shining. It is just, we bought it from the shop right away, but still it is 30 years old saree, you have to believe this. And this saree is I told you she have two brothers, which is the elder one, their housewarming party, they have gifted this saree. Look at the color combination, color is awesome, I can say. In the border, pallu also golden pallu, I can say. It is a pure silk saree. Awesome guys, well maintained, sweet memories, I can say. And the other one which I came, this is actually a blouse, simple and superb. And this is her sweet husband gifted her for housewarming party and housing ceremony, I can say. And this is again a sweet memory because my father-in-law is no more. We really miss him a lot, and this she kept as his memory. And like this, there are so many memories, guys. If you really like, you want me to do part 2 video on this particular sarees of our memories, definitely I'll do, but you have to ask me to the comment section. Definitely I'll do. And look at all the saree collections again. I wanted to share you, so I would like to share all my sweet memories of my mother-in-law, so I just shared it. I hope really enjoyed with this video. Who are really watching this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video, and just give a big thumbs up to this video. So let's catch up with the new video tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye bye. And we miss him a lot. He's no more now, so still his memories is there with her. We are really so happy to see all these saris, and these are old memories or gold, I can say. Old saris are really gold, I can say, right? And I hope you really enjoyed with these videos and all these special saris of my mother-in-law, how she maintained, and so beautiful selections of her. I really enjoyed and taking this video and sharing with you guys. I thought this is really a special video of mine till now, and I hope you really enjoyed. If you really feel it, just comment me in the comment section. Let's catch up with a new video tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye bye.